On August 29, 2025, Tampa International Airport Police responded to a welfare check after a man was found unconscious in the terminal. What began as a medical response escalated into felony charges, raising critical questions about Fourth Amendment authority and use of force standards.
Hello? Hello? Yo. Yo. Yo, buddy. One for five, you can start, Arf. Yo. 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 What's up? You alright? What'd you take? Sit up for me, buddy. Yo, you gotta sit for me. You're alright, sit up. Sit up. Sit up, dude. What's up? Yo, you gotta get up, man. You gotta get up, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. What's up, dude?
Over here.
Sit up. Come on, sit up. Yo, stop. Sit up.
This.
Sit up. Sit up. Don't make it worse. Come on. Sit up. What do you take? Might be Narcan. Yo, what are you on? What are you on, bro? Drugs or drink? What is it?
Hey.
Come on, sit up.
Sit up, we're just helping you.
Yeah, dude.
You get the f up.
Yeah, sit down. What's up, dude?
Like I said, we're just trying to help you, dude.
You
What'd you
right
take?
there.
What'd you take?
You right there.
No, you right here. What'd you take, bro?
No, you.
What'd you take?
Over right there.
I might go in cuffs in a second.
Yeah.
What'd you take? We're trying to help you.
There, dude.
What'd you take?
Are you f***ing kidding me right now?
What'd you take?
Oh,
We're here to help you. You were passed out right here. Dude, I thought you were dead.
yeah, that's my f***ing problem.
Yeah, but I gotta help you. You're on airport property. We're gonna help you, all right?
Yeah.
No.
Relax. Breathe.
Talk to us. What's going on today? What'd you take so we know how to better help you?
Can you help me?
That's what we're here for. We're trying to help you. We got
You were
medics coming.
drinking? Or what? Any drugs?
Can you help me?
Say again?
Can I help you? I don't like him.
Help me to help you.
Can I help you?
Why don't you
Yeah,
like
you
me,
can.
man? We're cool, bro.
I don't like you.
We're cool, dude.
I don't like your structure.
What's your first
All
name,
right.
brother?
My structure. What the heck's that?
What's your
Talk
first
to
name?
him. Talk to him then. I won't talk to you.
Yo, my man, what's your first name?
Can you do this? Can you do this? I don't like what you're doing.
I'm just holding your
Yeah,
arm.
we're holding you
That's
up.
it.
Okay.
I'm holding you up. You almost fell 3 times.
Look at my arm.
You gonna put it down?
Yes.
You're talking to police officers. You're not reaching
This
for
is
anything.
the area. You see? There's nothing.
Put your arm down.
Buddy, you're gonna end up in cuffs in a second, so I suggest. What's in your pocket? What is in your pocket that you need? Do you have anything that's gonna prick me, poke me, stab me?
No.
Needles?
No, reach for it.
Oh, I'm asking. What do you want from here?
I would love for
Your
you
wallet?
to reach for
Your
it.
cigarettes? Is that what you want? But you can't
No,
smoke in here.
Reach for everything in that pocket.
You got money?
Yeah,
You-
right there.
You have ID? Can I get your ID?
I hate this.
That's money. Yeah.
I hate this fast place.
I know. We don't
I
want to
hate
be
this
here
fast
either,
place.
man.
You want to fucking reach for this shit?
In cuffs you go.
Yeah, reach for my motherfucker. You.
Relax. Relax.
Yeah, reach for that.
Relax. I only got one. All right.
Buddy, arm behind your back right now.
Put your arm behind your back.
You want to with me?
Put your hand behind your
With mom. You mother.
All right.
You can take the.
All right. Just give us a second. All right, relax. A little more on the side. Watch your head.
Yeah, Vasquez. Show yourself to my mother, you piece of shit.
It's easy on this one. Okay. Give me an ID.
You
Hey,
show
hey!
yourself, you fucking piece
You're
of
gonna to charge, brother. For...
Show yourself!
Relax.
You sandy mother...
Relax.
I did your house!
Relax.
You bleeding?
I did
No.
your house!
Is that him?
I don't know. You bleeding, bro?
You want to call him?
I love your mom, dude!
What?
Here, right, got it. You got him?
You're done.
You gonna chill out?
Dude, you better not
Go ahead. Dude,
kick
don't
or
kick
nothing.
him. Don't kick him. Right now you're going to the hospital.
I don't want you to.
If you make it worse, you're going to
or
jail.
something. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
You.
You're going to the hospital.
Vasquez.
Did he catch you? What he
Vasquez, Frank.
All right.
He's gonna
He
be.
didn't swing on
I
me.
did your father's
Good.
house. You piece of shit. I did your father's house.
All right, you want to talk to some medical?
I did it good.
Stop. Come on. It's over. It's over now. Talk to the
All right,
medical
Tempo.
guys.
No
Tell
wants or
them
wants, right?
Tell him what's up. Tell him what's up. These are medical professionals. Let's go. Can't talk to you. Talk to them. You. No, right here. Look
You.
ahead. Straight ahead. Go ahead. Look straight ahead.
Hey, we're the
No.
we're the fire department.
No, him. Vasquez.
Under the community caretaking doctrine established in Cady versus Dombrowski, officers have authority to perform welfare checks on individuals in apparent distress. However, Caniglia versus Strom clarified this does not provide unlimited authority and must respect Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable seizures. The Supreme Court in Terry versus Ohio established that officers may conduct limited searches for weapons when they have reasonable suspicion a person is armed and dangerous. The officer's question about needles addresses a legitimate safety concern regarding bloodborne pathogen exposure. Graham versus Connor established the objective reasonableness standard for evaluating use of force. Courts must consider the severity of the crime, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether they are actively resisting arrest. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. Florida Statute Section 843.02 defines resisting an officer with violence. The statute requires 3 elements: knowledge that the person is a law enforcement officer, willful resistance or obstruction, and violence or threat of violence to the officer's person. The pat-down search, while legally defensible under Terry, may have been the catalyst for escalation. The tactical question is whether this search was necessary at that moment, or whether focusing first on medical evaluation would have been more prudent from a crisis intervention perspective. Modern policing standards emphasize de-escalation when safe and feasible. When the subject fixated on one officer, the basic crisis intervention tactic would have been to have that officer step back and allow another to take the lead. This technique was not employed. Florida Statute Section 784.07 defines battery on a law enforcement officer. The elements are intentional touching or striking against the officer's will, knowledge the victim is an officer, and the officer engaged in lawful performance of duties. Under Graham versus Connor's 3-factor analysis, the force used appears objectively reasonable. The officers faced a subject actively resisting arrest, behaving unpredictably, and suspected of felony offenses. They used only hands-on control techniques without escalating to strikes or impact weapons.
What's your name?
What's up, buddy?
I came here. I thought he was dead. Just the way he was lying.
And then he freaked out and jumped at us.
No.
You need any medical help?
Hey, he's asking you questions.
You need any medical help? What's your name?
Justin.
Justin. Justin, you need medical help?
I'll talk to you.
Okay.
If I can get these.
No.
I got nothing to do with that.
Right over here.
We're the fire department. I'm just here to see if you need any help.
That's right. I'll talk to him. Because I did his mom's house.
Okay.
He's a marksman. I don't know what it is,
Yeah.
but he's clearly on something.
No.
No.
You.
Justin.
You.
Makes it a lot worse for yourself, but
You're making this a lot worse for yourself.
Can we get an ambulance, I guess? We'll get him out of here. Well, that's
Well,
cool.
like it's Marchman Act.
I know past your grandmother's.
St. Joe's, who lost the backing.
I know past what you think that you know.
I'll go with Andy if anything.
Yeah. 35 to 142.
He's gonna today, dude.
He's gonna what?
He's gonna
please meet us over with a vehicle at
No,
103?
he's gonna sedate me.
Hey,
No!
What did I tell you, man?
No, you're gonna sedate me, dude!
Stop.
You don't know my mom, dude!
Stop.
Do you know where you are right
You
now?
don't know my mom! Dude, Frank knows my mom,
Spit
dude!
mask, right? Spit mask and...
Frank!
Who's got a spit mask?
I don't know. Maybe.
Justin,
And a
don't.
hobble tie, too,
It's
probably.
Frank, you don't know.
All right, relax, Justin. We're gonna try to
What
get you help.
Frank knows,
But you obviously
dude!
you got
You
something
guys have
going
a
on.
bandage for his chin, maybe, though? A bandage? His
Dude,
chin's got a little
Frank,
cut on.
Yeah,
Frank loves you badly.
I got you, Justin. We're gonna get you to the hospital.
You don't
man. You're wrong, but there's something wrong.
Frank
Let me just take a picture. Just for the thing.
Frank,
Look up.
I got it.
no, you are not gonna get a
Gonna kick us,
profile
Justin. Come
on
on.
my shit, dude.
Stop.
You
Stop.
you are not gonna get a profile on my shit.
Stop.
Despite significant verbal provocation, including profane insults, the officers maintained physical restraint. This restraint, while commendable, does not excuse missed opportunities for verbal de-escalation once the subject was secured and no longer posed an immediate physical threat. The Tampa International Airport Police officers receive a grade of B-. They operated within legal boundaries and used proportional force, but missed several de-escalation opportunities that reflect modern crisis intervention training standards. Positive aspects include appropriate initial response under the community caretaking doctrine, proportional use of force under Graham versus Connor, early medical coordination, and professional demeanor despite extreme verbal abuse. Areas of concern include tactical positioning that failed to maintain adequate reactionary gap, limited de-escalation when the subject fixated on one officer, and discussing sedation within earshot of an already agitated individual in crisis. The subject receives a grade of D. His physical resistance to officers conducting a lawful welfare check constitutes resisting with violence under Florida Statute 843.02, a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison. The subject's conduct created criminal liability, endangered himself and others in a security-sensitive airport environment, and rejected medical assistance while in obvious distress. While his impairment provides context, it does not excuse the illegal nature of his actions. His minimal restraint in not escalating to the most extreme violence available prevents a failing grade. However, his transformation of a welfare check into a violent felony arrest represents profoundly poor judgment with serious legal consequences.
Stop.
Frank loves you backwards. I know that.
You don't want to put a bandage on your chin?
No,
Okay.
I'm not gonna let that happen because he's
It's a
not
bandage.
gonna.
It's a bandage.
He's not gonna let this shit happen, dude.
All right.
I just been 10 grand on your
Hey,
grandmother's house, dude. Come on.
when Andrew gets here, we'll just grab the shackles.
Are you not gonna give me a chance? Vasquez.
You have a car?
See,
Okay. No, Andrew's coming. Just when he comes, we'll just grab the shackles. And...
Vasquez.
Yeah. You want to switch?
You are not gonna like the consequences.
Just be careful. I don't
that
want
are
to
coming,
kick you.
dude.
Yeah.
I'm not even resisting, dude. Yeah, I know because. Yeah, I know. I bet you. Pieces.
Carry him.
Yeah, I can't even face you because you're gonna do this.
You all right?
Yeah, you. I did your mother's house, and it looked great. Congratulations, you asshole.
Put his feet down so we can get his ass in there.
I'm not gonna fight you. Just
down.
let me go, dude. Just,
You all right?
Yeah,
you gotta get that. You got
See if we get that thing today.
I hope you do, dude.
You in search of just for your guys?
Just fucking whatever, dude. What you guys doing?
That might be.
I'm assuming it's his.
That might be Freeman.
Turn your face that way. You spit on me, dude.
I'm not gonna spit on you, dude. Can I get my...
Yeah, I think that might be Jake's. You lost your phone.
You don't want to put that.
Key lessons from this incident. First, crisis intervention training must balance officer safety with de-escalation. Officers should maintain tactical positioning while employing verbal techniques to reduce tension when time and distance permit. Second, timing of enforcement actions matters. While the Terry search was legally justified, conducting it before establishing rapport with an individual in medical distress may have been tactically premature and escalated the situation unnecessarily. Third, situational awareness extends beyond physical threats. Officers should recognize how their statements, including discussions of medical procedures, may affect individuals experiencing mental health crises or substance intoxication. Fourth, for citizens, physical resistance to lawful authority transforms minor encounters into serious criminal charges. Even when impaired, maintaining physical compliance while exercising Fifth Amendment silence rights is the legally sound approach. Finally, the community caretaking function serves a vital public safety purpose, but officers must navigate the tension between helping someone in crisis and enforcing criminal law. Training in crisis intervention, mental health response, and addiction recognition is essential. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.